Hello everyone, in front of me is brand new iPhone 17 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So start with enrolling the settings, then enter General and now locate date and time. And at first obviously you need to switch off automatic setup and then choose it from the list. So just pick the date, then time. Let me go back here, date and time, and that's it. Then you can go back and this date and time would be applied. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, all you have to do is to click on the switcher to turn it on again. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.